Okay guys, thank you for watching me as a videos. But thank you for liking me or viewing. So I will make a video tomorrow. And now I'm gonna show my, what is it? Wait. Okay, here is, there's so many of them. Okay. This is named Holly. This is the back. He's a pumpkin. Okay, done. Thank you for watching me. So I'm gonna make a video tomorrow. We're going to 7-Eleven.